Hey guys, who is this? Look over here. This is a hippo, so big and strong. And what is this animal? Aha! It's an elephant. Great. Do you know this one? There it is. This is a bear. Who is this green fella? It's a frog! That's right! And next to the frog? Are you sure? Yes, it's a lion! What about this one? It's Goose! Well done! Now let's find their babies! The lion cub needs his daddy lion. What about the bear cub? Here is his mama bear. A baby elephant is called a calf. Here's his mommy. A baby hippo is a calf too. To his daddy hippo he goes. This little gosling goes to his mama goose. And this little froglet meets his mama frog. Good job, guys! See you around!